hunt is a combination of underwater metal detecting and fanning with my white shark mix.
G'day guys, welcome back to Lost Jewellery Recovery. Today I got an absolute awesome hunt. We're going to be out there in the ocean today. We're going to be sand blasting those sandstone deep crevices. We're going to be in search for those old pre-decimal coins, bits and pieces of gold earrings, especially guys in these deep crevices you don't normally find with my Minelab Excalibur 2, with my white shark mix sent out to us by Sir Blue. This is not just a toy guys, this is a serious gold finding machine. The other week we did find those 9-carat gold rings that were actually broken up, and also the earrings too. Alright guys, let's gear up and get out there. See you in the water guys, cheers! Haha.
Today's hunt is a combination of underwater metal detecting and fanning with my white shark mix made by Sir Blue. This is actually my third hunt. Now I'm after the gold guys, I really am. And it's the third time out. Unfortunately the first 2 times, no gold. Whoa! Look at it, what have we got here? You little beauty. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh, that looks like... Could it be? I think it is guys. That's gotta be. That's gold. That is gold. That is a big chain. Check out this little beauty, guys. It was found with my white shark mix made by Sir Blue. I did run it over my Minelab Excalibur 2 underwater metal detector, and it had no detection on it. Very lucky find, as I'm randomly sandblasting the area. But this is not just a toy, guys. This is a serious gold finding machine. Welcome to all my new subscribers and viewers. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. Now you're probably thinking, why does Michael have an old bottle with an old sock strapped to him? It's very simple. When I find something valuable, I put it into my old stinky sock, put it back into my old drinking bottle. It has a rubber screw top lid, extra tight seal. I screw that back on. Now the small valuable items are very safe within that sock and the metal flask. Let's keep going. I'm back from the hunt, guys. 2 hunts we did today. It was actually yesterday. One was during the day, the other one was during the night. We done a night dive. Unfortunately, I did lose most of the footage and I couldn't believe it because we were swimming with sharks. The second time and my GoPro didn't work. We lost some really good content. Right at the beginning of the video, you did see that shovel-nosed shark. That was one of the sharks that came up to us. It was really cool. When you shine a torch underwater, especially at night, it attracts all sorts of fish, and then bigger fish come in too, and then you see them, they just rip in, guys. It was really awesome. Today I was using the white shark mix. We were using that to find treasure. Simply turn it around in reverse, hit the accelerator, and I blast out all those sand cavities. And guys, these rock crevices are full, absolutely full of all sorts of lost treasures that my Mind Lab Excalibur 2 unfortunately will not pick up. That includes the gold chain we found today. Now I have to say, we were very, very lucky to find this gold chain because I did actually make 2 other videos and I did not post them. I did run out of battery with my white shark mix because I was not finding any treasure on those previous 2 videos, but we were 3rd time lucky. After blasting out the crevice, we seen this beautiful gold chain. My heart was absolutely, it was just pumping, guys. It really was, because this was the 3rd hunt out and I was having no luck on the first 2, and then the 3rd one we came across this beautiful gold chain. And check that out, guys. That is absolutely awesome. I think it could be anywhere from say 10 to 14k. Haven't tested it just yet, and unfortunately my Mind Lab Excalibur 2, even running it over it, would not detect this chain. The white shark mix in future, it's going to find a lot of treasure that our metal detectors will not pick up, and it's also an awesome toy when I'm out there in the ocean swimming with it, because that is a powerful machine, guys. It really is. And not only is it a lot of fun, you can see, guys, it finds gold. It really does, especially all those earrings. Broken rings especially, they're down there deep in these rock crevices. Blasting them out, you don't even need a metal detector anymore. One of these toys, have some fun on it, and you can find some gold at the end of the day. So that is a really awesome find. Beautiful gold chain. Check out this beautiful gold pendant. I'm seeing 3 markings on the inside. It looks like it's actually 18 karat gold heart pendant. That was only a shallow target, and you did hear it on my metal detector as well. It wasn't a really good signal. That's unfortunately with gold items small like this, and especially with the gold chains, you simply won't pick them up. This gold chain, if it was attached to this pendant, I could tell you right now I would find it. Not at great depth. Check out this little beauty. It's only stainless steel. I really thought we wanted white gold here, or even possibly a silver ring. It's whenever I see that sparkle in the sand, I'm just wafting over it, and then I just see the glimmer. No way we're on the gold. Unfortunately, it's only a stainless steel ring, but that gave me an absolute awesome adrenaline rush, and I'm happy with that, guys. Truly am. The next best find, after sand blowing the area, I found this little tiny earring. I ran this over my Mind Lab Excalibur 2. You've seen that underwater with me, and you could hear absolutely nothing, no ringtone. This one here, even though it's a bling ring, this could actually be a yellow gold, white gold, even a platinum ring. That could be a massive $10,000 diamond inside it, and my metal detector would not pick it up. You don't even need a sand blowing machine. You can get your foot, you can get your hand and wave over that area, expose those rock crevices and see what's deep down inside. Even get your pinpointers out. Your pinpointers can actually help you find small targets like this, which is really awesome. We found about $12 in cash today. That was between the two hunts, the day hunt and night hunt. Trash targets today. We dug over 100 trash targets today. That is absolutely insane. It was non-stop digging after digging, especially on this night search. I'm going to keep smashing through that trash. Recycle it too, guys, because there's cash in it. Hold on to that trash. At the end of the year, take it down to the recycling centre, turn it into some cold hard cash, guys. That's what I do. The best find of the day will have to be this gold chain, simply because it was not found by the metal detector. It was actually found by the white shark mix, which is really awesome because now I have a variety of tools that can help me find a different treasure. A lot of you guys out there metal detect who don't find gold chains, you know, I know, more than likely our metal detectors have gone over chains like this in the past, probably 1,000 times over, and our metal detectors have not picked it up. Now on our channel we have a tool that can find gold chains, and it's going to be really exciting, not only to find treasure, but I'm also going to be out there in the ocean as well, also scooting around and having some fun. If you're a subscriber or viewer to my channel and you see me out there on the white shark mix, pull me aside and I'll put you on it, guys. There is a storm heading our way. It's going to be an absolute crazy night. They reckon for the next couple of days we're going to have some big surf. That is absolutely awesome. It's going to be churning up all that sand. We're going to have some really good gold targets exposed on our beach lines, guys, which is really awesome. Share, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, support us on Patreon, and I'll see you on the next hunt. Happy hunting, guys. Cheers. Haha. That's a fun day.